Nestled in the heart of Western Europe, Luxembourg is a country that often gets overlooked. Despite its small size, it holds a wealth of experiences and surprises for those who take the time to explore it. Luxembourg is a country that often gets overlooked. With its picturesque landscapes and charming cities, it offers a unique blend of natural beauty and urban sophistication. Don't let its size fool you. Luxembourg may be small, but it is packed with charm, history and prosperity. The compact towns and vibrant cityscapes are a testament to its rich heritage and modern advancements. This tiny nation is big on charm, history and prosperity. Walking through the old town streets, you can feel the echoes of the past, while the modern buildings showcase the country's forward-thinking spirit. Luxembourg boasts a high quality of life. Its residents enjoy beautiful parks, luxurious residential areas, and a sense of community that is hard to find elsewhere. The country's commitment to sustainability and green living is evident in its well-maintained public spaces. It seamlessly blends the old with the new. Historic buildings stand proudly next to modern architecture, creating a unique and harmonious cityscape that tells the story of Luxembourg's evolution over the centuries. Come explore this hidden gem. Luxembourg offers a variety of tourist attractions, from scenic views to cultural landmarks. Whether you're interested in history, art or nature, there's something for everyone. Luxembourg is a Grand Duchy. This means it's ruled by a Grand Duke, a title that adds a touch of regal elegance to the nation's identity. This means it's ruled by a Grand Duke. The current Grand Duke is Henri, who has been a symbol of stability and continuity for the country. The current Grand Duke is Henri. He represents a long line of rulers dating back centuries, each contributing to the nation's rich tapestry of history and culture. He represents a long line of rulers dating back centuries. The Grand Ducal family has played a significant role in shaping Luxembourg's identity and its place in the world. Despite its small size, Luxembourg has played a significant role in European history. It is one of the founding members of the European Union and hosts several important EU institutions, making it a key player on the international stage. Surrounded by larger neighbours like France, Germany and Belgium, Luxembourg has managed to carve out its own unique identity. Its strategic location has made it a crossroads of cultures and influences. Luxembourg has forged its own unique identity. The country celebrates its heritage through traditional festivals and cultural events that bring the community together and showcase its vibrant traditions. It's a place where medieval castles stand tall amidst modern skyscrapers. This juxtaposition of the old and the new creates a fascinating landscape that is both timeless and contemporary. The country is a fascinating blend of the past and the present. From the cobblestone streets of the old town to the sleek lines of modern architecture, Luxembourg offers a visual feast for visitors. Get ready to be enchanted by Luxembourg. Its scenic landscapes, charming towns and welcoming people make it a destination that leaves a lasting impression. Discover its rich history, vibrant culture and stunning landscapes. The country's museums, galleries and cultural festivals offer a deep dive into its heritage and contemporary life. This little country is sure to leave a big impression. Whether you're exploring its iconic landmarks or simply enjoying the view, Luxembourg's charm and beauty are undeniable. Luxembourg may be small, but it's an economic giant. The country boasts one of the highest GDPs per capita in the world. Luxembourg's success story is largely due to its strategic location and its savvy approach to finance. Banking and financial services form the backbone of Luxembourg's economy. The country has long been a magnet for international investment. Its stable political environment and favourable tax policies have attracted businesses from around the globe. Luxembourg is also a key player in the European Union. It's home to several important EU institutions, including the Court of Justice and the European Investment Bank. This makes Luxembourg a strategic centre for European decision-making. Luxembourg's economic success has brought prosperity to its people. The country enjoys a high standard of living, excellent infrastructure, and a well-educated workforce. Luxembourg City, the capital of the Grand Duchy, is a captivating blend of old and new. This city, with its rich history and vibrant modernity, offers a unique experience for every visitor. As you explore, you'll find that every corner of Luxembourg City tells a story, from its ancient roots to its contemporary developments. The city's historic centre, perched on a rocky plateau, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This area is a testament to the city's long and storied past, where ancient structures stand proudly, narrating tales of yesteryears. The preservation of these sites allows visitors to step back in time and imagine life in centuries gone by. Here you can wander through narrow cobblestone streets, admire medieval fortifications, and soak up the city's unique charm. Each street and alleyway has its own character, inviting you to discover hidden gems and historical landmarks. The medieval fortifications, with their imposing presence, remind us of the city's strategic importance in European history. The Bock casemates, a network of underground tunnels carved into the rock, offer a glimpse into the city's past. These tunnels, which once served as military defense structures, now provide a fascinating journey through time. Walking through the casemates, you can almost hear the echoes of soldiers and the clinking of armor, bringing history to life. These impressive fortifications, dating back to the 17th century, once served as a strategic defense system. They are a remarkable example of military architecture and engineering, showcasing the ingenuity and resilience of the people who built them. Today they stand as silent sentinels, guarding the stories of the past. Luxembourg City isn't stuck in the past. It has embraced modernity with open arms, creating a dynamic and forward-thinking urban environment. The juxtaposition of old and new buildings creates a visually stunning cityscape that reflects the city's evolution over time. The city is also a thriving modern metropolis. With its sleek skyscrapers and contemporary buildings, Luxembourg City is a hub of economic activity and innovation. The modern architecture adds a touch of sophistication and elegance, making the city a beacon of progress and development. Skyscrapers reach for the sky, and contemporary architecture adds a touch of sleekness to the cityscape. These modern structures are not just buildings, they are symbols of the city's ambition and vision for the future. They stand tall, representing the city's commitment to growth and excellence. Despite its modern amenities, Luxembourg City retains a small-town feel. The quaint streets and picturesque neighborhoods offer a sense of community and belonging. It's a place where you can enjoy the best of both worlds, the convenience of a modern city and the charm of a small town. The atmosphere is friendly and welcoming. Whether you're visiting a local cafe or strolling through the streets, you'll find that the people of Luxembourg City are warm and hospitable. They take pride in their city and are always eager to share its beauty and history with visitors. Don't be surprised if locals greet you with a smile. In Luxembourg City, friendliness is a way of life. The residents' genuine warmth and openness make every visitor feel at home, creating a memorable and enriching experience. Section 4, A Babel of Tongues, Luxembourg's Linguistic Tapestry. Luxembourg is a land of many languages. The official languages are Luxembourgish, French and German. This makes for a fascinating linguistic landscape. Don't be surprised to hear all three languages spoken interchangeably. Luxembourgish is the national language. It's a Germanic language with influences from French. While it's spoken by most Luxembourgers, it can be a bit tricky for visitors to understand. French and German are widely spoken and understood. You'll find them used in official settings, education and everyday life. English is also commonly spoken, especially in tourist areas. This multilingualism reflects Luxembourg's history as a crossroads of cultures. It also contributes to the country's cosmopolitan atmosphere. Section 5, Cultural Crossroads, German and French Influences. Luxembourg's culture is a rich tapestry woven from German and French influences. This small yet vibrant country has managed to create a unique identity by blending the best of both worlds. The cultural crossroads of Luxembourg are where German precision meets French elegance, resulting in a harmonious coexistence that is both fascinating and enriching. This unique blend is evident in everything from the cuisine to the architecture. Walking through the streets of Luxembourg, you can see the seamless integration of German and French styles. The old town, with its cobblestone streets and charming buildings, tells a story of a place that has embraced its dual heritage. You'll find traces of both cultures in everyday life. From the language spoken to the festivals celebrated, Luxembourg is a living testament to the harmonious blend of German and French influences. The markets are bustling with a variety of goods that reflect this cultural fusion, offering everything from German sausages to French cheeses. The country's culinary scene is a testament to its dual heritage. Luxembourg's restaurants offer a delightful mix of hearty German dishes and sophisticated French cuisine. Whether you're in the mood for a robust meal or a delicate dessert, you'll find something to satisfy your palate. Hearty German fare, such as sausages and sauerkraut, sits alongside delicate French pastries and cheeses. This culinary diversity is a reflection of the country's rich history and its ability to embrace and celebrate different cultures. Be sure to sample local specialties like Judd Mat Gardebouwnen, which is smoked pork collar with broad beans. This dish is a perfect example of how Luxembourg has taken traditional German ingredients and given them a unique twist, creating something that is distinctly Luxembourgish. Luxembourg's architecture reflects its historical ties. The country's buildings are a blend of German sturdiness and French elegance, creating a visual landscape that is both diverse and harmonious. Medieval castles, reminiscent of those found in Germany, stand in contrast to elegant buildings with a distinctly French flair. These architectural marvels are a testament to the country's rich history and its ability to blend different cultural influences seamlessly. This eclectic mix adds to the country's visual appeal. The juxtaposition of old and new, German and French creates a unique aesthetic that is both charming and captivating. Luxembourg cityscape is a living museum showcasing the best of both worlds. Even the mentality of the people reflects this cultural blend. Luxembourgers are known for their practicality and efficiency, traits often associated with German culture. Yet, they also possess a certain joie de vivre, a love of life, that is distinctly French. Luxembourgers are known for their practicality and efficiency, traits often associated with German culture. This is evident in the country's well-organised public transport system and the punctuality of its people. The German influence is clear in the way things are run smoothly and efficiently, but they also have a joie de vivre, a love of life, that's distinctly French. This is reflected in the vibrant cafe culture and the numerous festivals and celebrations that take place throughout the year. Luxembourgers know how to enjoy life, balancing work and leisure in a way that is truly enviable. The country's wine culture is another example of this blend. Luxembourg produces excellent wines, combining German precision in winemaking with the French passion for quality and taste. Visiting a local vineyard or attending a wine festival is a must for anyone wanting to experience this aspect of Luxembourg's cultural heritage. The art scene in Luxembourg is equally influenced by its German and French roots. From music festivals that feature both classical and contemporary genres to art galleries showcasing a mix of traditional and modern works, the cultural offerings are as diverse as they are rich. National celebrations such as Luxembourg's National Day are a perfect example of this cultural blend. The festivities include elements from both German and French traditions, creating a unique and memorable experience for all who attend. Even the natural landscape of Luxembourg reflects this dual heritage. The scenic countryside, with its rolling hills and picturesque villages, is reminiscent of both German and French rural areas. Hiking through these landscapes offers a peaceful escape and a chance to appreciate the natural beauty that Luxembourg has to offer. Luxembourgers love to spend time outdoors, enjoying activities such as hiking, cycling and picnicking. This love for nature and outdoor life is another reflection of the country's cultural blend, combining the German appreciation for nature with the French love for leisure and relaxation. Luxembourg's international community further enriches its cultural landscape. The country is home to people from all over the world, adding even more diversity to its already rich cultural tapestry. This multicultural environment fosters a sense of openness and inclusivity, making Luxembourg a truly unique place to live and visit. As night falls, the city of Luxembourg transforms into a magical place with its illuminated landmarks and vibrant nightlife. The blend of German and French influences is evident even in the way the city comes alive after dark, offering a mix of sophisticated dining and lively entertainment options. Whether you're exploring the night markets or enjoying a meal at a local restaurant, you'll find that the cultural blend of Luxembourg is always present, making every experience unique and memorable.